Smells like nothing. Welcome to a non-ASMR video on MV ASMR. I want to keep things fresh and I've been wanting to do this video for quite some time now. If you follow me, you know that I've been staying in Dallas during the pandemic, and right now it's about 100 degrees every day outside. So it's been kind of hard to get some fresh air or really spend a lot of time outdoors unless it's really early in the morning or really late before the sun goes down. So I just kind of wanted to take you through a day with me of just like trying to get as much nature in as humanly possible. And I hope that if you relate to living in a big city or living in a hot climate, that this would be interesting to you. So I'm going to film a lot of footage today. It's kind of the middle of the afternoon right now, so I wanted to shoot this part of it while it's still light outside and then continue shooting in the evening. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with my morning and just take you throughout my day. I stick my hand out the window every morning just to get a gauge on the temperature and see if it's good running weather outside. These are all the ingredients I'm going to put into my smoothie today. Got some frozen banana, frozen peaches, some new pea protein that's vegan, aloe, fresh aloe, and hemp seeds, spirulina, maca root, and some almond milk. And I also decided to throw in a bunch of spinach too. Okay, y'all, so Minji Son is one of my dearest friends, and she's an amazing artist and designer. She makes all types of clothing and swimsuits, things like that, and she had just sent me 2 swimsuits, and luckily it just arrived today. So here is me opening the swimsuits, which I'm so excited about. Alright y'all, so I know this has absolutely nothing to do with nature or the outdoors, but I am dying for a piece of cake. And there's a place in Dallas that I haven't been to in probably over a year, but they have my favorite slice of cake, which is strawberry vegan. Oh, hey. And this is kind of dangerous, I guess, huh? Anyway, we're okay. Alright. Which is strawberry vegan, and I'm so excited to eat it.
Oh, now I can't want to throwback Thursday.
So this is the city park where I decided I'm gonna eat my cake. It's pretty new, but I love this park and it's so pretty, just in the middle of the city. I'm just gonna plop down. Can't wait to show y'all this. All right, hold on. So here it is. Ooh. So thank y'all. Oh my god. Delish. My bag's flying away. Alright. Let's see what we got. I guess this did kind of turn into nature-y. I didn't think I was going to come eat the park, but... That's pretty good. Pretty good.